How much horsepower are you doing right
it's
now?
about 900 engine horsepower.
900?
Yeah.
That's loud, man. Woo. Damn. That is.
It's okay, right?
ProCharger. That is dope.
That'd make great money.
Wow. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. How much horsepower are you pumping out of that ProCharger?
810 and 700 torque.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy, nice. Yeah.
Can't compete with that loudness.
Yeah. That sounds sick. Oh, dude, are you running boost, bro? Yeah. Damn, bro. Yo, legit, bro. That's so loud.
Not quiet.
Yo, you got it. So you run some boost?
Yeah, I'm running that ProCharger.
Yeah, ProCharger.
ProCharger.
Oh, nice, bro.
Charged.
Did you do the internals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fully forged internals, cab,
Boom.
headers, catalyst.
Yeah.
I got everything.
Shit.
Fucking fast, man.
Dude. You have Hellcats run for their money?
640 to the wheel, 768 to the crank.
Whoa, look at this boy. That's a good supercharger right there. Wow. That's not bad. Has it got a whine to it?
Not loudly.
They don't? No? Yeah.
But they still sound pretty good.
Right. Yeah. How much horsepower you think you pulling?
I'm only on 5 pounds of boost just so I can get more life.
5 pounds? Yeah, fair enough.
It's 453 to the wheels.
Yeah. Is this that's a 6.1?
No, it's a 5.7.
Oh, it's a 5.7?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Cool. Nice. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
worries.
it. Yeah. Yeah. Rev it up, boy. Thanks, bro. All right.
All right, jump in front of it now. Get the insurance.
Oh dear. Not bad. Wow.
Yeah, we don't all have fridges.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, the room, 6 solar panel out there.
Whoa. The exhaust. What do you got back?
MBRP 3-inch.
MBRP 3-inch, right?
3-inch, yeah.
You don't see these with MBRP.
And I'm running
Right?
cats. And I'm running cats.
Can we hear it?
Yeah,
That'd be great.
it's
It's
very,
good to
it's
start.
very mild.
Not bad. Does it have a whine to it? Like a supercharger one? Yeah? Wow. And we were running cats
Yeah, I'm
because
running cats.
you love the environment, right?
That's right.
Exactly.
Well, you know what? With catless, you don't really gain much.
Yeah.
No.
You get more sound.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
don't really gain much. And this was built by Harrington Hemi in Detroit. Can you make up my license plate?
Just the 5.7.
That's right.
Yeah.
And I've beat many Hellcats.
No problem. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, it's your boy. Nice.
Let it drop under 1,000.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll give it some rest.
You know what you're doing, right? Yeah. One second. All right, go ahead. Damn, that's nasty.
Way better than
That's way better than last time. I'll do a comparison video.
Oh yeah,
right?
you got it. Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Like just no sound last year.
Yeah, yeah.
Now it's awesome.
No, it's great. Phenomenal.
Yeah.
How much horsepower do you think you're pulling now with the new tune?
Probably 455 to the wheels.
To the wheels?
It might be a little bit more, but
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
say 455.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What upgrades did you do with this?
Well, new wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Last year I had 245s and
Yeah.
they wouldn't hook.
Yeah.
So now I'm at 275 front, 305 rear.
Yeah, yeah.
New exhaust, so I took off the MagnaFlow.
Yeah.
And TIG welded a carbon race exhaust.
Carbon raised?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
They're from California.
Yeah.
And it sounds mean now.
Yeah.
And now it sounds like a muscle car.
Yeah.
And then, you know, next year I might add some more boost.
Yeah.
Try and keep it under 500 wheel because
Yeah.
blow the thing, yeah.
Did you do any internals or anything? Any
Not
work?
yet.
Not yet?
Yeah, so I'm gonna bring it up to about 6.5.
Yeah.
And then, you know, down the line probably build it and then
Nice.
start adding more boost to the thing. Not yet though.
No, that's a good setup
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
I also did the paint correction, so now